Ska du diska? Good morning, guys. Good morning, mga palangga. So, welcome back to my channel. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog ulit kasi nagka-problema ako sa aking cellphone. Na-full yung storage niya. Tapos, di na ako makapag-edit. Di na ako makapag-vlog. Kasi, yun, nag-full nga yung storage ng cellphone ko. Meron kaming nabili na GoPro Hero 8 camera. Pero, yung problema naman is wala akong pang-edit na laptop. So, ginawa ko is nag-order ako ng magandang laptop para makapag-edit ako. Pero, hindi pa siya dumating. Siguro next week pa yun. So, ngayon, ginawa ko sa cellphone ko is ni-restore ko lahat na naka-install sa aking cellphone. So, kaya ngayon ay nakapag-vlog ako ulit. So, let's see kung tuloy-tuloy na tong giging okay ang aking cellphone para makapag-vlog tayo everyday. So, ayan po. Andito na naman tayo sa ating dating gawi. So, today, guys, mga palangga, is pupunta kami sa isang kasi in-invite kami for a birthday party today. Yung anak ng kaibigan ko is one year old. So in-invite nila kami for that birthday celebration. So kita-kits mamaya doon sa venue na yun. Indela, you want blower?
Yeah.
So, ayan. Ganyan na po ang ating itsura pagkatapos mag-plancha. Medyo okay na yung itsura natin. Tingnan nyo yung mata ko, kulang sa tulog yan kasi meron akong problema sa anxiety ko. Hindi ako makatulog sa gabi. Stress at saka anxiety at insomnia. Tiber? So, we're going now. Alis na kami. Say hi. Say hi to camera. Say hi. Okay, sit na. Come. Paalis na kami doon sa birthday party na aming pupuntahan. See you later. Mamaya doon sa aming destination. Ayan po ang aking bagong halaman na namumulaklak. Tawag niyan is lily. Alis na kami. Papunta sa Donghaebo. Maganda ang weather today. Sunny weather. Oh, I don't have belt. It's how many hours?
2 timmar ungefär. Kanske lite mer.
Oj, it's so long. Two hours?
Har du med dig kort?
Yeah. Min Nordea court. Where is that? He said we don't have money anymore. Because he buy things for the toilet. So we will be hungry. We don't have food. We gonna do
Rice and soy sauce.
asking money in the street so we can buy food.
We can be beggars.
Beggar, yeah. We can sit outside ICA
Yeah, that will be
and put this bork so people can put money into that bork. We shall drive here. Why not Kalmar?
because that way is longer.
So we shall drive to Nibro first and then Imaboda,
Yeah.
and then from Imaboda
Then we will see. That we don't know yet. I don't know.
oh, we need to ask the area exact address.
Yeah.
What's that in the cloud? It's an airplane. Airplane was going up in the sky. Here, this place is named Fogelfors, and here is the store Michelle is working, my Filipina friend. Here is lake. We have passed a lake here. Everywhere in Sweden there are lakes. Now in Nibro. Here we was living before. Here in Nibro. This is Nibro, Sweden. Nej, Bindila. shall buy some hot dog here so we can eat something before we, because it takes 1 hour to go there. Takes 1 hour more to go to Dongibo. Papa is coming with hot dog and bread. 3 pieces of bread. You will have 2.
In today.
Tack så mycket.
Och in till China. Och in till Vendela var de med.
Where shall I be? Naiihi ako kaya pupunta ako dito sa loob ng kakahuyan. Magamit niya. Ilang parcel ba ni siya? Galing sa kuan sa bilidor, tsaka ano yung knife sa pag-fish. Sige na din, matawag na din ka din. Fish. Oh! Ay! Oh!
Ay!
Nag-divorce. Divorce na dayon? Divorce na dayon?
Nagtinda ka sa tumba. Ano
Oh, silip. At abangan. Never married. Sagrada. Never married. Stop. Oops. Ayun, ay naabangan ng lahat. Ginaabangan. Kumikip na si Bayan.
Pauwi na kami galing sa party. And we shall travel for 2 hours from here. Here is the cows. Goose. Are you sleeping, Bindila? Paim na dag tubig siya na. Crazy. So yeah, that's all for today. Because we are tired.
Did we drive here before?
Yeah.
Or are we driving the wrong way again?
We are driving down the. We should
Yeah.
go to the left. Time check is 6:36. Ha? Kasi mali. Sakto maguna. Aha. The time now is 6:36 in the evening, and it's not dark yet. It looks like it looks like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's normal in Sweden when it's summer. The day is longer and the night is shorter. And this in front of us, this car in front of us is horse transport. There is horse when you travel with horse. That is that kind of transport you should have. Hope you guys like this video, and see you in my next vlog. And don't forget to subscribe.